Hey, Milo. I am outside today, putting out some bird seed for our critters that we have. Dump that. Because we have critters out here that like to eat. So we're putting out some bird seed. Milo's going nuts right now, as I showed you in the first clip. Putting out some bird seed. Because we got some birds that like to come out here and eat. I got some bird seed from Walmart and put the bird seed in this empty M&M container. I washed it out first, and I had an empty M&M container, and I put the bird seed in here, and then I just take it out with me when I go feed the birds. Makes it easy. This is the end result. I put some bird seed in the net part and also in the bucket part too. Hey there, Milo.